Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together.
Oh, I want to see the monkeys.
Wait. One, two, three. 3? Only 3 tickets?
Only 3? Are you sure?
I am sure. The ticket is a mystery.
Sir, we need 4 tickets.
Sorry, we are stuck.
Mom, I am scared. Are we stuck?
Step 1, breathe. Step 2, smile. We are safe, Leo. Do not worry.
Dad, hurry up. The monkeys are waiting.
Oh no. Not this paper. We lost 1 ticket. What do we do?
Let's go to the ticket booth.
The bird is beautiful.
Hello. Excuse me, please. Hello. How can I help you?
Hello.
We lost 1 ticket. He is a child.
Yes. I lost my ticket.
I can help you. A new ticket is $5. $5. Let me find my wallet. Here you are. Thank you very much. One moment, please. Here is your new ticket. Here is the ticket for the little boy.
Thank you. I have a ticket now.
Good job, Leo. You are very brave.
Did you get a new ticket?
Look, Dad. A new ticket. It is safe.
You got it! I'm so proud of you, buddy! Thank you, Clara. We have 4 tickets now.
Yay! Ha! Let's go see the fast monkeys now.
Welcome back. Please scan your tickets here. The green light is on. Perfect.
It is working perfectly. Come on, kids.
Wow! This zoo is so big and beautiful.
You can do it, little man. Go ahead, you're all set.
It beeped. I am inside now.
We made it. Great teamwork, everyone.
Look at the map. The monkeys are here.
Let's follow the map to the fast monkeys.
Listen, do you hear the funny sounds? Yes!
It is a mystery sound.
Look at the fast monkeys. They are swinging. The monkeys are very funny. They are safe.
The trees are so green and peaceful today. The big tiger is next on the map.
Let's walk quietly to see the sleeping tiger. Wow!
The tiger is sleeping in the sun. It is beautiful. I am not scared here.
Let's sit and rest for a short minute.
First, we lost the ticket. We were stuck.
Yes, but now we are perfectly safe here. Do you hear that? The elephants are next.
Oh, wow! Look at the giant gray elephant walking. Yeah! The elephant has a very long nose.
It flaps its big ears to stay cool.
The crocodile and hippo live near the water.
Mom, they have very big mouths. I feel nervous.
Look at the thick glass, Leo. We are safe.
Okay. The glass is thick. I am brave. Wow! The crocodile is sleeping with an open mouth. It does not move. It is sleeping.
Yes, it rests in the warm sun to stay peaceful.
Look! The big gray hippo is hiding in the water.
Wow! The hippo has a very big mouth.
Oh no! The wind took our map.
I will catch it! Do not worry, everyone!
Dad is running very fast. He is funny.
There it is! It landed on the bush. I have the map. We are not lost.
Thank you, Arthur. Good job catching it.
The air smells so clean and very peaceful.
Mom, I am hungry. Can we eat now? Yes, sweetie. Just a little longer.
Yes. It is 12 o'clock. It is lunchtime.
The map shows a picnic area over there. The red flowers smell so sweet and nice.
They really do. Isn't it wonderful?
This is a perfect place for our lunch.
Yeah.
Let me help you with this big blanket.
The blanket is soft. My legs are tired.
Here are the sandwiches. Chicken and cheese today.
First, we lost the ticket. We were scared.
Then we asked for help. We got a new ticket.
Now we are safely inside. We saw the fast monkeys. The bird song is very beautiful and peaceful.
We are finished. Are you ready for more animals?
Yes! Let's go! What is next on the map?
The tall giraffes are next. They have very long necks.
Great teamwork. Let's go see the tall giraffes safely.
Sounds good, let's go.
Look, I see a yellow head moving up high. Wow, they are so tall. They touch the sky.
Look! The worker is feeding the beautiful giraffes slowly.
It has a funny purple tongue. That is a mystery.
Oh no! My hat! It is stuck inside! Mom, I am scared. Will I lose my hat forever? It's okay, sweetie. We'll get your hat back.
Step 1, breathe. We can ask the kind worker politely.
Excuse me. My son lost his blue hat over there.
No problem, sir. I will get it for him safely. Here is the beautiful hat. Have a peaceful day. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Thank you so much. I love my hat.
Let's visit the beautiful birds now. They are very colorful.
Listen to the loud songs. The birds are singing happily.
Wow. It is very warm and green inside here.
The red bird is very beautiful. It is looking at me. Very beautiful. Very beautiful.
This is the butterfly room. It is very peaceful and quiet.
Mom, look. A blue butterfly is on my nose.
Stay very still, Leo. Breathe slowly. You are completely safe.
It tickled my nose. I was very brave and still.
That was wonderful. Now it is time to go home.
The front gate is this way. We will follow the yellow path.
Oh, we are stuck for a short minute. We will wait.
Look at the orange sky. Waiting is very peaceful too.
Sorry for the wait. Have a safe trip home today.
There is the big metal gate. We made it back safely.
First, the torn ticket mystery. Then, the fast monkeys and giraffes.
I was scared of the hippo. But now I am brave.
It was a wonderful day. We solved every mystery together, safely.
The big orange sun is very beautiful today.
Wait. Where is the small car key now?
Do not worry. Breathe slowly. Check the big backpack.
I found it. The key is perfectly safe here.
We found it!
The soft seat feels very nice.
I am sleepy.
First, we lost a ticket. Then, we solved it together. The fast monkeys and tall giraffes were my favorite. I am completely safe now. Good night.
Let's go home. Sleep well, my brave little kids.
Every small mystery makes our fun adventure very special today. Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey. Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.